So I've come to really learn the importance of making sure that you have a creative space as an entrepreneur. And so in today's video, I'm gonna show you my room where all of the amazing things happen in terms of my entrepreneurship endeavors, and the place and the space where Tamia can make great things. My channel, Tamia Dawkins here. If you've never seen my face before, I would love to invite you to go ahead and subscribe, because on my channel we talk about all things connected to living the intentional lady life so that you can build a life and a business that I know that you'll absolutely love. Don't forget to hit the cute little bell for updates. So ladies, today we are going to go ahead and tour my, what I basically call a creative space, which is AKA my home office. And at one point it was a guest bedroom, but I am definitely filming this at the time whereas we are in quarantine and really don't know how long we're gonna be in quarantine. So, but nonetheless, we're all gonna go through the process and come out better than when we went in. That's something that I've definitely been coining as a phrase to help to empower other people as well as myself on this journey of going through quarantine. So with that being said, I decided that while I was in quarantine, I really wanted to give my creative space, my home office, a facelift so that I could come into this space and really enjoy being in here, since I'm always usually in here majority of the day, especially during the summertime hours. So today I'm gonna give you a quick tour of this particular creative space. And my point of really wanting to do this is so that it can definitely inspire you to possibly want to do a DIY of your creative space or your home office or wherever it is in your house that you definitely have that spark to want to create amazing things for the world. So let's go ahead and get into the tour. All right, ladies, are you really ready for this? This is gonna be amazing. Come on, let's go. All right, so welcome to my creative space. This is literally a converted guest bedroom, and in this space is where all of the great things happen. Okay, so first let's go ahead and start off with my desk area. This is where I sit and work through most of the day, from early in the morning to sometimes late at night, depending upon how passionate I really am that day. Now, I'll name some of the places where I picked up some of these items, and I'll make sure that I put all of those links in the description box down below. So if you want to pick them up, you definitely can as well. And so let's first start with my chair. I picked up this chair, I believe on wayfair.com. Love Wayfair, it's absolutely amazing. The price was probably about $100 or so, and I put it together myself. Everything in here was basically a DIY. Nothing came whole. Everything had to basically be built out. And so the theme is obviously cream colors, gold, black, white, and pink as well, if you can look at the carpet. So I have my Beats headphones, which is a part of the decoration anyway to me because it definitely matches. My mic, which is a blue Yeti for my podcasting. And this little folder holder knickknack, it came from Target. If you notice, you can see the gold detail on the side. I'll like put like different pins and whatnot in there. It's mostly like a little storage unit. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. And then I have this on the wall, like hang up picture / postcards, but I use it for pictures of my family, of course. This was from Target as well, maybe about 12 bucks. And so this is like my favorite motivational piece. You'll see this in every one of my videos. Sometimes it's blurred out in the blurry background, but I literally see this poster every single day and it totally keeps me motivated. This is from Target, one of the greatest places on earth. And this clock I picked up from Target too, like a while ago, maybe when I first started my YouTube channel, which was about a year ago. And it probably was like between $12 and $24. It's an amazing piece as well. This photo I actually got for Mother's Day 2020 from my babies. That's me with them at like the botanical gardens or something. But we had a blast that day, and just to be able to look up at that picture really helps to keep me motivated, you know, even on the hard days when things are not working out in terms of entrepreneurship, or I have to work really hard on something, product or service. You just look up and they're my babies. They're definitely my motivating factor behind why I do what I do. So then we have this board. I believe I got this from Target. More than likely I did. And it was probably like maybe $13 if anything. So for the most part, I haven't put any papers up there. Once in a while, I'll get a tack and put a paper up there. But I do keep my motivational quote cards, which are right here. I got these from Barnes and Noble. They have all of these different cards in them. 40 super inspiring quote cards. To be able to jumpstart your confidence and help you with regards to the things that you need to be doing consistently. Now this is my tiny, cute little whiteboard. I got a scripture up there that I put a post-it on to be able to remember and recite anytime I look over that way. And I'll probably add some more. Sometimes I'll jot down different things up there, but I'm really a paper and, you know, productivity app kind of lady. And I'm looking into transforming my iPad into basically like a note-taking board, but I have to order the Apple Pen for that, which I'll do eventually. Other things that are over here is this amazing, beautiful file folder that's black and gold. I bought that before I decided to transform this office, but I think I basically knew what I wanted to do and picked that up from Target. The trash can, I believe, is from Target as well. I don't remember how much I paid for it. The desk, I want to say that this is from Wayfair too. I believe so. I'll make sure that I put the links in the description. And then you have the other little knickknacks, like this cute little flower. This is artificial. And then the pencil holder, and then some other things that I picked up from like Forever 21. I think I picked this up from Pier 1, like just different places that I would go to and then I would see different things. Is where I picked that up from. All right, so here's my shelf. This was from Target as well. There was actually a gold shelf that I wanted. I ended up getting it and I didn't like the way it looked once I got it. I had gotten this first and then ordered that one later. So it's actually in our sitting area because we have gold in there as well. But I wanted to keep this shelf in here in particular because of the gold and white, so it tied in with the desk. And me and my husband looked at it, we were like, okay, this should stay rather than just doing gold. It would be super dull. So this file holder I got from Target along with the file folders that are in it. I just got some random journals up there that are really cute, that are leather, that tie in with the concept of the browns and the creams and the golds. Cute little picture frame. Isn't it gorgeous? That came from Target. I got some organic vegan lipstick holder. It was cute, so I just put it there and I use it every now and again. And this is one of my favorite spots. These are my camera knickknacks. I have different remote controls that I esse, lens covers, batteries. This is a remote control, what do you call it? Baggie holder. Oh my goodness, I can't think of the name of it. And this is actually my 50mm lens, my fave, that gives me that blurry background. Right now my Canon 80D, I'm using a 24mm that came with this camera actually. All right, so on the shelf, it's just different things that I picked up at different times. Motivational things. That's a card that I got. Isn't that cute? It is so cute. And then of course my printer. Leave it down here because I don't like to actually see it. Things like that, you know, it bothers me. So I just put it at the bottom if I need it. Then I'll go ahead and pull it out. Hole puncher, you know, some different things for storage. This right here is actually something that me and my husband got from the ministry. And they basically said when they gave it to us, if you ever feeling discouraged, just pull a note out of there. Different people put notes. It was really nice. So that's where that came from. And then, like I mentioned, I have other knickknacks that kind of match the decor and whatnot. So that's there. This is another paper file folder, book holder I kind of use. And yeah, that's that. So then when you come over here, I have this picture frame that says choose joy. That's really cute. Just these motivational reminders are really everything. Now, I didn't think I needed to show this, but why not? We're doing a room tour. This is actually a bed that I had put in here beforehand. The comforter on top is from Target, and then the pillows are from different places. Target, I think Target, there's one other place, but it's slipping my mind right now. Well, World Market, that's where I got the black pillow from, which is really, really cute. The white one I think was from Forever 21, and so was this rug as well. And I got that like 2 years ago, right? When I was trying to, I guess, come up with whatever I thought my theme was gonna be. This particular really cute mirror is from World Market as well. It is so cute. From World Market. I actually want to put it up there. Eventually it'll get up there. So I'm not really stressing it. All right, so next we have this amazing window. I love this window. I really wish I had another window in here, but the curtains I got from Overstock, I believe. I love the detail. They're like bohemian design curtains, and they're beautiful. Now I might get another set that are black and white. That's a heavier material because these are sheer, and they're not really the best to have in terms of at night, so people don't see in. I don't necessarily want to get blinds, so I'll probably just get another set of curtains because these were really cheap, and you can always change out curtains. Next, this is one of my most favorite pieces. It's my little credenza, specifically for this room. I picked this up at World Market, great price. And then these little, you know, doohickeys, knickknacks that I picked up, I believe, at World Market as well. So pretty, right? When I saw them, like, they tie in perfectly. This is a picture of me and my husband. I can't remember where I got this frame from. I want to say Target. Yes, because it's Project 21, yep. But that was a while ago. It's actually a picture of us at our first son's baby shower. And then next, some candles, and I can't remember where I picked this up, more than likely Target. Another candle, which I don't like that in here because it's silver, and I don't have much silver in here. All right, so here's another amazing picture from my boys that I got for Mother's Day that matches that one. And another amazing piece that I absolutely love. These two suitcases, I believe, came from Overstock. They're storage, but they are so cute. I bought this before I decided to do a little DIY project in here too, but they're so cute. They had them in white. I found that out later. I wish I would have got the white, but the pink definitely does pop, and it goes with everything that's in here, even though it has like a rose gold tint. All right, so this big drawer is actually like my storage area. I keep additional file folders in there, clothes, if I'm doing different videos or courses that I have to change out to. Like, this is my office space. So I don't like going up and down. I just store, you know, jewelry and all that stuff in there, so I don't have to keep coming in and out. All right, last but not least, there's this amazing space. These chairs are actually picked up from Amazon. They were a great price, like $160 or something like that for two. They are beautiful. They're like a velvet material. They're so soft and comfy when you do sit in them, and I absolutely love them. This cute little end table was from Target. Amazing price as well, but it's super heavy. Don't let this underestimate you. Don't underestimate the weight of it, because it is really heavy. These cute little picture frames were from Target as well. The wallpaper is from Target. I love how it ties in the black and the white. And then this plant, I think it's from Target too. This cute little throw was from Amazon. And the carpet, I love this carpet. Now, initially when I got it, I was like, it might be too big for the space, but wow, it really worked out well. And this particular carpet is from Amazon. It was super cheap, maybe like $50-$60, and it is so soft. So soft. Sometimes my boys will come in here and kind of roll on it. It's hilarious. So that is really everything. I'm trying to circle the room and look. Oh yeah, So these cute little curtain huggers, hangbacks, I don't know what's going on with regards to me not remember the name, hangbacks, that's what they call them, is from Amazon, and it goes perfectly with the credenza and with this end table. Everything has like that marble color to it. And then last but not least, we have this gold frame to be able to use for the curtains. So I just really am in love with this space. It really helps me in terms of, you know, the consistency of just being motivated and, you know, really staying on top of everything that has to get done basically in this space. And so what I wanted to do was share it with you guys, because like I know what it is to be motivated by another lady that maybe had the opportunity to do different things. So I got that done, it seems, literally right before the clouds decided to roll in and the thunder decided to get going. But like I mentioned before, I really just wanted to do this video to help to inspire other lady entrepreneurs out there, or if you're any kind of creative, to really get your space together, right? Even if you have to do it little by little, whereas, you know, you buy a piece at a time. Like, you don't have to buy everything at the same time. But I think personally, with being in quarantine in particular, like now is the time to do it because we're home. So we painted this room as well. I use an organic base paint, so I'll make sure that I put that in the description as well. So let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite piece that you saw, and if I missed something in terms of the links, I apologize. I'll try to put as many as possible in there as well. So this is my creative space. I was so super excited that I got to share it with you. Make sure that you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell for updates, and I'll see you again soon. Ciao.